Hi, Tracy here with the Idea Closet, and I had just have a short little video to show you how to use your sketch pen with Silhouette Studio to sketch out a title or a sentiment. So this card is from Lori Whitlock, and the sentiment down here, Happy Valentine's Day, is actually meant to be a print and cut, but I'm going to show you how to change it into a sketch. So I've already opened it up in my Silhouette Studio, and I'm going to ungroup it. And then all of these other images, you could either delete them or just remove them, because we're going to not use those. You know how to cut everything out and assemble it. We're just going to do our sentiment in the little banner that it goes in. I'm going to fit to window so you can kind of see what I'm doing. We've got a few little pieces we need to get rid of. So I'm going to click on my sentiment, Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to come up here to the fill window, do the drop down arrow, and choose No Fill. And it looks like it's disappeared, but it hasn't. It's still there. With it still selected, click the drop down arrow for the line color, and we're going to change the line color to black. And there is your Happy Valentine's Day. And now it's ready. So we're going to come to the send and open up our send window. And there we go. And we're going to do it by line. Click on line. And there are our two line colors that are showing. We have the black and we have the red. So I'm going to leave the red as tool 1, and we're doing it on the cardstock. We're going to cut it, and I'm using my ratchet blade. I'm going to change the black one to tool number 2 to click on it. As you'll notice over here in your tool setting, the blue is the holder that's on the right side, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then your red is the tool holder that's on the left side, and it really doesn't matter which one you're going to choose to do which. It's fine. Okay, so now that we have that set, we're going to change this black line that we want to sketch. So we are going to, under action, we're going to hit the drop down arrow, and we're going to choose sketch. And it automatically pulls up your blade, and now it is completely ready to cut and sketch. All right, now I'll show you how to do this with your machine once the software is all set up. So there's my machine. And there is where your carriage is. The red dot right there is where your blade goes, and I'm using the ratchet blade. And then the blue dot right there is where your pen is going to go. I'm going to tell you right now, my pen is just about dead. I've done a couple of these, but so you're going to stick it in there and close it up, pop it in there. I used this pen for another project, actually quite a few other projects, and it's about dead. So we're gonna try it and see what happens. I'm gonna line up our mat and then hit our load button. All right, and then I'm gonna come over to my screen and hit send. Everything's set up to go. And you'll notice that the first pass is with the blade, and it's just cutting out that banner. And I'm just going to pause for just a second. And then the next pass is with the pen. And it's going to trace the outline of my letters so that you can add a sentiment or something really quick to your cards, your scrapbook page. Once it's done, we're going to unload it. And then if I can do this one-handed. there is your banner that goes on your card with the words sketched out. And that's all there is to that. And that's all there is to it. It's a simple little project. I hope you'll give it a try. If you've missed this for Valentine's Day, you can do another card. But thanks for joining me today, and give this a try.